Did you hear? The Employee of the Year has been announced.
Let's check out who it is.
Wait, who's that? Have you ever met her?
Nope. I thought I knew everyone on a team.
Is she in marketing? ID? Wait, does she even work here?
Hi everyone. Great to finally meet you all. I'm Sarah, your 3D avatar colleague. Let me introduce myself. No matter which department you're in, marketing, HR, ID, or sales, I'm here to help. Here's just a glimpse of what I can do. Need eye-catching product ads? I've got you covered. Client presentations? Consider them handled. Training programs? I can assist with those too. Oh, and I manage support inquiries 24/7. And here's the best part. I speak 16 languages. That means I'm ready to support you no matter where you're based. I can be your local assistant.
Primero, nos dirigiremos al centro histórico, donde podremos admirar la arquitectura colonial y las bellísimas plazas.
Your presenter,
مرحبا بكم في مخزننا.
your problem solver, and more. Ready to see how I can help your team? Search for Rendora and click Get Start. Here, you'll find avatar colleagues for every industry and department. Give it a try and let them help your team.